Hi, I'm Kendall. Welcome to my greenhouse. I'm finally able to spend a little more time out here now that our construction on the house is slowing down, and most of the things that need to get set up in the greenhouse are set up for me to use it. I have water in here, I have electricity in here, I have a little bit of heat, and I have a setup with cameras so I can make more videos for you. I started gardening about 5 years ago during COVID. I started with some pots in my yard. I just wanted some color. I just wanted something to do. It was fun to go to the store and buy some pretty pots and buy some pretty plants. And it was fun to check on them every day, a little dopamine hit. So I planted some plants in the fall. I decided to plant some new plants in the spring, and I got hooked. I started moving other plants in my yard around. I needed to research how to prune things and take care of them and make them look good. So here I am, 5 years later. I am now a master gardener of Pierce County. I just graduated last Saturday. And I have a Hartley greenhouse in my backyard. I am in Western Washington, Zone 8B, and I wanted to just get on YouTube and share my journey as I learn how to garden, as I learn how to use gardening to take better care of myself, my health, my mind, my anxiety, my ADHD. Gardening has been the best thing I've found to get in touch with myself and my body better, and to deal with some of these things that I have had pretty much my whole life. And it provides me just with more tools and more avenues for my curiosity and more opportunities for joy. So I hope you join me on this adventure. If you'd like to learn more about how I'm using my greenhouse, I'm still just getting started creating those videos, but I do have a fun interview that Kate David from Hello Garden up in Seattle did with me right here in this spot. She asked me a bunch of questions about my greenhouse, so that's a good place to start. I'll put that video right here for you. So click there, click through some other videos. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for joining me. I hope to see you again in my greenhouse soon. Bye. I'm distracted by a bee that's walking around on the ground, of course. This bee is distracting me so much. Right there. Do you see it? The rain on the ceiling of the greenhouse is really pretty. Here, oh, that's the back of the bag.